Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll try out a few different methods for applying static grass to a diorama and see which tool gives us the most realistic effect. We'll be using a regular metal strainer, a plastic puffer bottle from Knock, and finally, a static grass applicator. For the test, we'll be applying the grass onto these simple plastic lids. First, we apply a layer of PVA glue to the surface. Then, we add some flock to the strainer and gently shake it over the lid. Method 2, using the plastic puffer bottle from Knock. As you can see, the cap has 5 small holes, each about 4 millimeters in diameter. If you want, you can easily make a similar tool yourself using a plastic bottle, like an empty shampoo bottle. The manufacturer recommends holding it 8 to 10 centimeters, about 3 to 4 inches, from the surface. We prepare the surface and apply the flock. I have to say, this method is way more effective than the strainer. The fibers shoot out quickly and stick well into the glue. Now the third method, using a static grass applicator. After testing all 3 methods, I can confidently say that the worst results came from the strainer. The fibers just fall randomly and don't stand up well. As for the puffer bottle, I was actually impressed. Honestly, I didn't expect such a good result. And finally, the static grass applicator. Well, no surprise there. It gave the most realistic and dense result. The fibers stood up perfectly straight and evenly covered the surface. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.